Right. May in-order ako guys. From Lazada. Alright, ayan. Sa Lazada. Para yan dito sa mesa namin. Ayan. So, buksan ko. May bago kasing, may binili kasing lamesa yung aming mother. Si mama may biniling lamesa.
What's up? What happened?
Lupitin natin. Kung ma-open eh. Tapos nagupit no. Plastic pa naman yun. Ano nito? Outside the home, Eric is temporarily placed in the patrol vehicle. Alright, now get back in. Hey! No, stop! I don't want to put my voice, bro. Does anyone just get back in the car? Ay! Sisira. Ba't ganun yung pagbalot? Ba't hindi nag-book? Stay in there, you're not coming out no matter what. Alright, bro. Without additional units on scene, Officer Sutton struggles to keep Eric restrained. Sutton attempts to secure Eric's handcuffs using a double lock, a mechanism that prevents cuffs from tightening or being manipulated. However, Eric uses his police experience to exploit this. And while his previous attempts at evasion have failed, he'd make one more, final, far more violent attempt to get away. Where's your gun? Where's your gun? Stop! Get in the car. Get in the car. Oh, yeah. Burn him out. Burn him out. Burn him out. Burn him out. What is around? Ito na siya sa... Stop. I can't stop. Yes, you can. On my wrist. Because I'm paying for enough. I got this now. Yeah. I can't. My hands on enough. All right. Turn like that. No. But hold on. I told you, bro. It's enough. All right. Stay where you're at. Stay here. I am staying here, but I told you to go. All right. Move your right. All right. Take a deep breath. All right. Listen. You're going around left to make it worse. I know. All right. Well, we're done. Speed up. We're done here. I want you to go down. All right. We're going to take you to the hospital. All right. All right. Well, this is not wrestling anymore. This is a lot of shit today. I know. You sweating? I'm sweating. Can we be done? I want to be... No, bro. All right. Well, I'm going to hospital. We don't need to wrestle on the ground. Is that helping anything? No, no. All right. Okay. Eric attempts to unholster Officer Sutton's service weapon, eventually managing to loosen it and nearly knocking it to the ground. Fortunately, Eric's handcuffs prevented him from causing any further harm. As the chaotic scene finally settles, officers briefly discuss the frantic events that just unfolded.
I go to the subway to meet her. Go in to make sure he didn't go to the subway to miss communication. Come back here, I said, let me just check it out. They started getting real weird. I'm like, well, you just stay back. He's the one who's fine. Started to get real weird. I'm like, no, I can check the house. You stay back. Stay back. Stay back. Stay back. I go up and lay it off. He goes, he wouldn't be up here. There's an attic thing. I'm down the stairway. He looked in there and saw a boy laying there. I was trying to drug him out where he is now. I did what I could. I immediately, as soon as I saw the boys laid up, 95 hands, get him out here. And after more units, started CPR. Trucker down, started CPR. Okay. All right. Are you good? I'm throwing you out. You're good. You're not hurt. No, I'm hurt. You should have done that. I thought I just did that first. You may not do that. No. I'm going to take the whole block right to see that. Steve, thank you. Don't let it. You can just do a CPR. Sorry. We got one versus 10-7. 1448 inside. Yeah, like apparently we went upstairs to check over there. Got sleep area. What's up? There's like a gun sleep area. And my partner looked in there behind the 95 and one of them on, and then when we took to my car,
I gave him an opportunity because I need to double lock his stuff, and then he up on himself, went out and grabbed.
EMS attempted to perform CPR on Dayson, but it was too late. Dayson was declared only the beginning. As the investigation deepened,
Plastic.
Aaron's children would reveal further secrets, painting
Yung
a darker
ano kasi nitong mesa na dumating sa amin.
for now.
Yung ano nag-absorb siya ng kwan,
His children and
dumi
his
ng
ex-wife, Tracy,
tubig.
station, everyone
Sabi ko baka pag napatakan to ng ketchup,
into their own individual
di na matatanggal.
intense interrogation.
Ano siya eh, matte white, hindi siya glossy. Na pag pinunasan mo, natatanggal. Matte kasi itong ano eh, lamesa, yung ano niya, texture nung lamesa, matte. Kaya sabi ko lagyan ng plastic. Ayan. Para yung ano, ayan. Ayan. Plastic na siya para kahit matapunan mo siya ng mga sauce or ano, toyo or mga ketchup. Hindi siya ano, madali lang punasan. Ayan.
Until he got to know you, but he was always mad. He talked to a lot.
Dapat ito idikit ano, dito.
Was disrespectful.
May sobra eh.
Had teachers from his
Hindi talaga siya nakaano.
principal, middle school.
Ito talaga sa design niya.
He was that type of child.
May ganito siya dito.
Would you say he's a sweet boy? He was very sweet and always willing to help. That was one of the things.
Ito idikit na. Dikit dito.
Always willing to help. Doing a lot.
May mga papel pa eh. Hindi ko pa tinanggal. Pati yung upuan. Oh. May balot pa. Okay na.
Nothing.
Was that ever
Yan oh.
No.
It was always.
It was always closed. Because I don't like it. Like, it freaked me out. There is a light switch in there.
Okay.
So
200, ano lang yan.
I turn the light switch off.
200 plus. 100 plus lang pala.
Let's talk about that. You called me and you said that you saw him